The Camera Backpack 25 liter. This bag can meet the needs of everyone, and when we say everyone, we mean it. Easily switch from a full photography build out to the perfect everyday bag with no camera gear. The number one feature of this bag is its customization. The cubes, dividers, and adjustable ladder system give you unlimited possibilities. At checkout, you can add dividers, one small cube, two small cubes, one large cube, or a combination of cubes to keep your systems built out to make swapping gear seamless. We thought carefully about how you would access your gear. Easy top access, external laptop access, full back access, and a magnetic door to access top gear from the back. Moving to the outside of the bag, external carry water bottle pockets that double as tripod pockets, durable water-resistant materials and zips, comfy handles and straps, EVA molded back padding including a roller luggage pass-through. The features go on and on and on. For a list of all the features, check out our campaign page below and don't meet the Camera Sling 8 liter. Same great external materials and comfort with enough space to carry just what you need, and external carry for when you need to carry a bit more. We've built the opening with a rigid wireframe construction and a quick latch system to make accessing and closing the bag a breeze. On the inside of the door, we've added a few pockets to keep all the small stuff organized. Meet the Camera Tech Organizer. This organizer is made of the same durable and water-resistant materials and zippers as the other bags, and is packed with pockets and organization for all the little stuff. SD cards, cords, card readers, action cams, chargers, adapters, lighting, and so much more.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Alan here from Found By Productions, and I want to show you the smallest, lightest, most compact light I carry in my kit bag, the Lume Cube. These lights are built in a rugged case and are just 1.5 inches squared in size. They have a built-in rechargeable battery which charge via the port in the back. I took 4 of these lights with me to help me document the Synthesis Festival in London, and firstly used them for an interview setup with DJ and producer DJ Crush. Lume Cubes are like the GoPro of portable lighting and come with a wide range of accessories. This cage, what they call the lighthouse, is particularly useful for attaching different coloured gels, diffusion, and even honeycomb grids. The lighthouse has 4 magnets, and this is how all the accessories attach and stay in place. You can even stack them up and have them any combination you want. The lights have 10 manual brightness settings and can be increased by 150 lumen increments, with the brightest setting being an impressive 1500 lumens. The light on the Manfrotto Nanopole stand worked perfectly and was hidden right behind the talent. After I set the lights up in position, we got DJ Crush in place, ready for the interview.
後ろの曲をやっぱり自分の DJ クラッシュっていう個性を
Next up, I added blue gel and a red gel to either side of his live DJ set to brighten up the scene. Next, I used the lights to add some depth to another DJ set, and by connecting the lights to the Lume Cube app on my phone, was able to light the DJ in time with the music. The light connects to the app via Bluetooth, and you only need to do this once you have downloaded the app from the App Store or Google Play. To connect with the light, just open the app, press the right button with the light facing away from you, enter your serial number, which is in the leaflet supplied with the packaging, and that's it. You're now connected to your Lume Cube light. You can adjust the brightness where there is a little bit of latency, or turn the light on and off, which is actually really responsive. You can also change the light duration to make it pulse for effect. A great feature of the app is the ability to control more than one light at a time. I put this feature to work to illuminate this piece of work by O2 once it got dark. I wanted to test out this feature a little more, so set out with my camera, 4 lights and my phone to control the lights, and used a red gel for effect to illuminate me just out of frame. Next, I took the lights down to below an old pier. I added a bit of distance between each light to add depth to the scene. And again used a red gel, this time it's in frame, but it's so small you can barely notice it. The lights are also perfect for light painting. These are a few still images I took while camping during the summer. And on this shoot I attached 2 of the Lume Cubes to the handlebars of the bike to illuminate the rider. The compact size of these lights make them extremely versatile, not to mention that they're fully waterproof down to 100 feet. Lume Cube also provide a range of mounting arms for drones that are extremely easy to attach and once in place are super secure and can position the lights vertically in any direction. To demonstrate these shots, I used an ND filter in the lens, as you do need special permission to fly drones at night. I own 4 of these Lume Cube lights and they haven't left my bag since getting them. They're truly versatile and can be used for many photography and filming setups.
Reach all your gear in 1.1 seconds. Introducing the Top Shelf Camera Bag, the first camera bag to give you full access to all your gear in one smooth, seamless action. For decades, camera bags have struggled to balance speed with access. After 5 years of prototyping and testing, we finally created the world's first open layout bag that gives you both. Just swing, click, and have all your gear ready at your fingertips. Top Shelf features a fast access latch that opens quickly when you need it and securely locks with a simple press. Don't worry about equipment falling out. It's the same system used to secure hoods in race cars, so your gear is safe. And if you want, zip it up for extra security. The bag swings into a flat tabletop position, creating a stable platform for you to switch lenses, bodies, batteries, filters, or cards. It also makes a great workstation in the field, and an impromptu stabilizer for video shots. Customizable dividers give you endless options to organize your gear, accommodating for the largest lenses and smallest accessories. Best of all, you can quickly switch between a sling bag and a backpack without Top Shelf ever touching the ground. Enjoy speedy access when shooting and even weight distribution when traveling. If you don't have time to switch, a side access door gives you fast access to preferred gear in backpack mode. Top Shelf also features a side pocket with a hidden laptop sleeve and phone slot, 2 additional front pockets for extra gear, and a hidden tripod strap for easy carry. Speed, access, security, stability. Top Shelf is everything you need and want in a camera bag. Back our campaign now and never waste another second reaching for gear again. We are Bevis Gear. We're adventurers and photographers just like you. We made Top Shelf to solve our own needs, but it's now expanding to so much more. We're ready to start manufacturing and just need the funds to make it happen. We promise to continue to innovate and create powerful solutions for your everyday problems. Thank you for supporting us. We couldn't do this without you. Order yours now and never waste a second reaching for gear again.